everyone, it's the Holy Mage again, and today I'm bringing you another episode of Super Mario Land! If you haven't guessed, my singing, it's above average. Slightly. It's probably not even average, it's probably below average, but whatever. So I'm just gonna be, playing some more Super Mario Land, and I'm probably gonna finish this episode. I guarantee it, because, well, yeah, I'm gonna beat the game. Because, from what I can tell, there's one, maybe 2 levels left. Maybe 3, if you count this one. So, this might be the last episode of the first Super Mario Land. The next episode of, Super Mario Land series is gonna start with the second game. So, yeah, I guess let's play the game, shall we? Starting off pretty great here. Ooh. 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 Ooh! Yeah, you can tell I'm gonna do oh! Oh, what? What? What is... No! Please! No! I'm too young to die! Yep. Alright, well, I guess that's why they made, 1-ups in this game. No! Woohoo! No! Ah! No! No! Oh. Physics! Do you even physics? Alright, so, I hope this isn't too loud for you guys. Because right now I'm just kind of angry. Because I'm starting to fail a lot, which doesn't usually happen. I'm surprised I'm saying that. It's all about the timing. Wow! No! Oh, the glitches for days. Wow! 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 Alright. So, how are your lives doing, guys? Oh, it's a snake! Oh! Woo! Dude, I'm just a pro MLG marksman, noob tuber, 360er, I don't know. Why would they build the rest of that if you're not even supposed to be able to get over there? Oh, uh-oh. Can I get back up? Yes. Bullcrap, bullet bills, just think they can just shoot when they're not even on the screen. No. I disagree with those physics. What is with all these... Is this like an actual, like, Mario level? Where they have, the atomic waffles? I mean, they're close enough, but, you know... If you don't know what I'm talking... But if you don't know what I'm talking about, atomic waffles, they're a pretty cool thing in Super Mario Bros. 3. I'm assuming you guys have probably never heard of that, of the name of that. But, I mean, that's what I call it. So... Oh! Woo! What? No! No! Please, I'm sorry I dishonored you. No! Oh! Balls! Spawn trap! Spawn trap! Alright, I'm feeling... Oh, or I can just skip that? Maybe? Right? What? That wasn't there before. You guys saw that, right? That wasn't there before. Or this is different, I think. Right? Yeah, this is different. Woo! This actually looks kind of hard. Is there gonna be a boss after this level or something, or what? I'm actually really curious now. Because this seems this like would be a Bowser Castle. If this was normal Super Mario Bros. Alright, Pro Strats are now working again. Woo! Oh, okay, third time running has to be used in this game. Otherwise what? No, I was right under it. Oh, end of the level. Okay, I can do this. Oh! What? I ran! I was pressing the B button. No! Well, now, okay. I might have lied about this being the final episode. Because, there's flying chickens in the skies. MLG chickens confirmed. MLG chickens confirmed, and I can't. Okay, there. Oh no! What? No! No! It's illegal weaponry. Bull. I noticed how I'm shooting fireballs from this, even though you're supposed to shoot fireballs when you have the fire flower plot. Okay, whatever. Whatever. No! Ooh, star. What? Why couldn't I grab that? I don't know why, but I feel I'm yelling a lot louder for no reason. No, star, can I have that? Can I? No, what? No! Game! I thought we were friends! No, what am I talking about? When were me in the game ever friends? No! I cannot die. I cannot. Yes, okay, I think we're good. I'm just gonna keep on firing just to be safe. Because like that, they're just gonna... Okay, chickens, I'm not too worried about. But, I'm worried... Oh, ooh. Yes, okay. Woo! Alright. Why are there stars now? I haven't gotten any higher. I'm still at the same altitude. Why are there stars all of a sudden? Guys, I think this is the final boss. I think we've officially gotten to the final boss. Yeah, yes, I think... What? Okay. I'll take that. Even though I don't need it, I'll take it. What? No! You didn't tell me there was gonna be, Oh, no! It's a cloud with shooting chickens! No! My worst nightmare! I shot... Oh, I have such a bad headache right now, it's not even funny. Oh my god. Just gotta watch out for those fists so I don't get fisted. Ha. Doll here. No! Come on, it shouldn't be this difficult. I'm just gonna stand back on that. When he's like that far away. Yes! What? Oh! It's the final boss! It's the final boss! Ah! Wait, what? I have two continues. Dude, hecka awesome, mate. Two continues on the final stage. I take this back. I don't think I got it. But just like my number one idol once said, never say never. And that person that said that was Justin Bieber, but he's not actually my idol. He's like my anti-idol. Right next to, Okay, my head is really starting to hurt now. Like, really badly. I don't think it's because of the game. I think it's just because my head... I think I've been playing too many video games. Oh, I didn't think that was possible, but... I'm actually kind of not... Like a lot... Really? Wow. Wow. Thanks, game. Oh, that feels terrible. All you're gonna hear now is just me moaning about how much my head hurts. Just gonna have to get used to it, I guessed. I guessed? No. I had to check my... Oh, my watch is dead. I don't know how long this is gonna be. I think I'm gonna be able to beat this guy, though. So, yeah. In case you're wondering why I was checking my watch, it's because I need to time how long these videos are. But I don't think I'm gonna need to. Because we're at the final stage. Where I hopefully won't die. Oh, my fucking head. Wait, what? You didn't hear me say anything. What are you talking about? Aw. I really should not be playing games right now. Alright, so what does he spawn like right there? Yeah. No! Stupid cloud that shoots chickens that are flying for some reason. No, at least he can't shoot backwards. That would be terrible. Yes! Woo! Alright, I'm feeling pumped. I think I got this. Probably not, but maybe. You never know. Oh, you can shoot those? Oh, but they take multiple hits for some reason. Just keep on spamming the B button. It'll work eventually. I think I'm getting them, right? Maybe? How have I not died yet? My finger slipped off the button. Oh. No, I don't want to shoot the cloud anymore. I don't want to shoot cloud. Shoot it. Shoot it, Glenn! Shoot it! Shoot it down! No! Please, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please. Yes! Okay, I have my mushroom now, and I'm facing the final boss. Oh, I can just use A or B. Never, okay. I'm not paying attention. This is like the most intense moment of my life right now. Oh, 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 no! Oh. This headache does not help. Okay, I have another continue. I'm good. I'm good. We've got this. Third time's a charm. Like someone once said. I don't know who originally said that. Someone's got to look that up. What is this game? What is this? God, my head. Okay, what is this level even going to be titled? Like, honestly, what is this going to be titled? You know, I got a good idea. I mean, you guys aren't gonna... I can't even speak anymore! This is so frustrating! Ah! Okay. This is just gonna be titled... Headache-inducing Headache-inducing flying chickens. Got it! Dude, I nailed that title. Give me a star. Oh. I think it's a force of habit. When you have a headache and you want to do something, you just scream. Well, someone's got to tell me if they actually do that. I'm very curious right now. Not bi-curious, just curious, okay? Don't take that the wrong way. Woo! Oh, all the coins in the world. Okay, I got 3 lives. I think I've got this. I think. Because I don't actually have a controller to move up and down, so... You know, I've got a great... No, I'm not gonna do it. I could switch to the control buttons, but it's not happening. Wait, what was that noise? Did you hear that? What's that? Oh, it must have been just me shooting in them. Okay, I got this. I got you, fam. I got you, fam. Whoa! I'm feeling pumped. Die! Nope. Fuck! I'm gonna be right back. Yeah, just hang tight. Just skip to whatever number I say in the description. Ah, my head! Jeez. Oh my god, there's a fucking door right there! It's not even the right cord. I have to turn it on. No. How's your guys' words? How's your day been? Pretty awful, yeah, same. Oh wait, what? Oh my god, that was so sudden. What? Oh my god. I literally just plugged it in and then it just, like, all of a sudden just burst into life. I was not expecting that at all. Die, you stupid clown. No. Why? No. Die. There's so much rage. Yes. Wow! Oh, my head. Oh, Daisy, don't be fucking freak. Thank you, Mario. Oh, yes. My quest is over. Yes. Oh my god. Wait, why do they have a spaceship? Why? Why didn't she just use that before? She could have just flew out of here. And she... What? There's so many questions. My head hurts even more. Oh my god. Alright, sorry if I screamed a ton. It's just this headache is terrible. I could have just not done this. And done something about this. But, yeah. I got really nothing else to say. Let's just watch these amazing credits. Just listen to that music. Oh my god. My head. I get an ice pack. Oh, I'm back. Oh, they flew off? The end. It's finally beaten. 3 episodes. Only really like half an hour of gameplay. Feels like it's been forever, but I had like a week or 2 uploading this, doing whatever. Yay! I hope this video is not too long for you guys. Alright, what now? Start? Alright, well, there's my top score right there. Yeah, hopefully you can beat that. You probably can't. JK, if you played this, you probably could easily do that. Ah. So, yeah. That was Super Mario Land. Hopefully I will upload, a video of either something else, because I've just done 3 of these videos straight in a row. Or, I might start, Super Mario Land 2, 6 golden coins. There'll definitely be a lot more episodes than just 3. Because, there's 6 golden coins, which probably means 6 different worlds instead of 3. 4, wait. 4 worlds. Yeah. Probably more levels than just 3 in 1. But, I guess I'll see you in the next episode, and maybe, the ending won't be as anticlimactic as most of the other video. Like, maybe this one. I'll just see you in the next episode. Peace, I guess. Oh, my head!